Hey, what's up guys? I am Mashuk Chakrabarty from msbofficial.com, and in this video I am going to show you how easily you can transfer money from PayPal to bank account. So let's get started. At first open up your browser and go to paypal.com, and after that click on login and then log in with your PayPal email address and password. Now we are in PayPal dashboard. And in dashboard here you can see our PayPal balance, and under that we can see a button which is called transfer money. Using this button you can easily transfer your money to connected bank account. But for this video I want to share more things to you. That's why to transfer money I just simply select wallet. Now here on the left here you can see our connected payment methods. Right now PayPal balance and one of my bank account is connected. If you want to add another bank account, then just simply click on link a bank, or if you want to add one or multiple cards, then select link a card and then just put your information to link multiple or one or two bank or card. Alright. Now if you want to transfer your PayPal balance to your connected bank account, then just simply click on PayPal balance, this tab. Now here you can see our PayPal balance 210 USD in total. USD currency I have selected primary and CAD is secondary. This time we want to transfer USD currency to our connected bank account. That's why I just simply select transfer money, this button. Now here you can see two different options. One is money out and another one is money in. To transfer money, we need to select money out, transfer to your bank account, this option. Now, here we need to select our currency that we want to transfer. This time I select USD, available balance 200. Alright, now I hit on next. Now, in this window, here you can see two different options. One is instant, 1% fee is required. And the another one is standard, which is completely free. If you link your debit card with your PayPal account and want to transfer your PayPal balance to that specific debit card, then 1% fee is required. But personally I do recommend a standard method which is completely free, and this will take 3 to 5 business days to receive fund to your bank account. This time I just simply select standard and hit on next. Now here we need to enter transfer amount. Let's say this time I want to transfer 15 USD. That's why I just simply put it right here, and now I just click on next. Now we are in the final page, review your transfer. Here you can see our sending amount, PayPal balance, available balance, where this is coming from and where this is going to. Estimated arrival time 3 to 5 business days, and here you can see transfer fee is completely free in standard method. Conversion rate is applied for this transfer because I want to transfer USD currency to CAD currency because my bank account is in CAD currency. That's why here you can see conversion rate is applicable for this transfer. If we want to transfer CAD PayPal balance to our connected CAD connected bank account, then no conversion rate will be applicable. If we want to transfer money from one currency to different currency, then standard conversion rate will be applicable. So keep that in mind. And then finally, if you are ready to transfer money to your bank account, then just simply hit on transfer now. And yes, 18.49 cents transferred successfully. Hopefully we will receive our money soon to our bank account. This way you can easily transfer your PayPal balance to your connected bank account. Hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you really liked this video, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys to the next one.